healthcare inflation is a source of major concern, but not just in Kenya, but globally. Last year, we estimate that the healthcare inflation was about 12%, while the country's general inflation rate was about 6%. So it's about double the general country inflation rate. And the effect of this is obviously very material to, the accessibility of healthcare by Kenyans to proper medical care. Now, the mitigations for this, the reasons for these are many, and maybe I could mention just a few. The cost of inputs of much of what is used in healthcare, from equipment to drugs and that kind of thing, obviously is imported, and therefore there's a lot of imported inflation. Secondly, our consumption patterns as Kenyans also. We are very, very much brand oriented, and we kind of tend to shy away from using good generics. That also contributes to the high cost of medical care. Another one is our consumption patterns also, in terms of the practice of medicine itself, also contributes to the cost of healthcare.
We want to engage our clients and prospective clients with regards to employee well-being and how we can help to increase productivity in the workplace for the companies that they represent. One of the ways and some of the things we're talking about is relooking at healthcare insurance and how it is packaged and how it is purchased. And this decision is mainly made by HR practitioners, and that's why we were focusing on them today. And we were looking at how can we look at employee well-being holistically.